Hey YouTubers, this is Omar with Omizio.com, and today I'm going to show you something that I've been asked on my blog and my Facebook page a bunch of times this week, which is how do you play YouTube videos in the background of your iPhone or your iPad? And this is something that's baked into iOS 5, and you do not need a jailbreak or any kind of jailbreak tweak for this to work. And I believe it also may have worked in iOS 4, but unfortunately, since I don't have that version of the operating system, I can't really test it. So all you got to do is go to your YouTube app, open up a video that you want to listen to, push play, and then exit out of it. Go to your multitask switcher, scroll left to your multitask player, and push play. And this will start playing that music from that last YouTube video that you've selected. This also works with YouTube playlists, which basically means that potentially you can listen to hours and hours of free YouTube videos in the background of your iPhone or your iPad. This also works with a browser version of YouTube, and the process is exactly the same. So if this is something that you didn't know and this video has helped you, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, and also visit Omizio.com. Enjoy.